Hey there! So, today we're going to do something a little different. I came across this YouTube channel called Best Senior Side Hustles, and its whole vibe really caught my eye. I thought, you know what? Let's just break down their welcome message together and see what they're all about. Sound good? Let's jump in.
I love this. Right off the bat, it's not some big, flashy, loud intro. It's just simple. It's warm. It feels really personal, almost like you've just walked into a friendly conversation.
All right, so this is where they start narrowing it down. They're basically trying to help you figure out, hey, is this for me? Which, honestly, is a great way to start. It shows they respect your time. And boom, there it is, the big question. It's super direct, right? No beating around the bush. They know exactly who they're talking to. And I think that's really smart. It just cuts through all the noise online and gets right to the point. And here's the answer. If you nodded along to that last question, this is them saying, yep, you found us. Welcome home. It's all about creating that sense of belonging right from the get-go. Okay, so we know who this is for. But what are they actually offering? And this is where it gets interesting. They're not just talking about making money. They're talking about a philosophy for your lifestyle. That's a pretty bold statement. Let's see what that actually means. Now this is a powerful concept. It completely flips the script. It's not about forcing yourself into a new, stressful job. It's about finding something that just fits, something that works with the life you already have. That's a huge difference. And honestly, it sounds so much better. So what does that look like in the real world? Well, they've laid out three main paths: flexible stuff you can do from home, creative ways to use your spare time, and even finding things to do right in your own community. It's a really nice, balanced mix of ideas. And here's a key promise. They're telling you they're gonna keep it real. No get-rich-quick nonsense. In a world that's just packed with overly complicated schemes, promising to keep things realistic and easy to understand, man, that is a breath of fresh air. So they use this term senior-friendly. What does that even mean? I think this is super important. They're basically saying, look, you don't have to be a tech genius, and you don't have to work crazy long hours. It's all about making it accessible for everyone, which is exactly how it should be. And it doesn't stop there. Beyond just being senior-friendly, they're also tackling that big fear a lot of people have, that you need some kind of special skill or fancy background to even start. It seems like their whole thing is about holding your hand through the process. This is such an empowering message, isn't it? It's them saying, hey, don't worry about what you don't know yet. We've got you. We'll show you the way. It's all about giving you the confidence to just take that very first step, even if it feels a little scary. And you can see it's not just a random collection of ideas. They've actually got a clear three-part plan. They'll show you what works, just as importantly what doesn't work, and then exactly how to get started. It feels like a real roadmap, which makes the whole idea seem so much more achievable. This right here, this is the kind of thing so many people need to hear. At your own pace, with no pressure and no hype. It's basically a promise that this is a safe, supportive place to figure things out, without anyone trying to sell you something you don't need. It builds trust. Okay, so now we're getting to the real core of it. This is where they put all their cards on the table and ask that crucial question. Is this channel actually for you? Let's take a look at the benefits they're laying out. And I mean, this is what it's all about, right? It's so much more than just the money. It's about staying engaged, keeping that sense of independence, and, actually having the freedom to enjoy your time. These are the things that really, truly matter in life. So if all of that resonates with you, well, the message couldn't be clearer. You're in the right place. It's a really simple but effective way to tie everything together and make you feel seen. I love the phrasing here. It's not some aggressive, smash that subscribe button command. It's a gentle invitation. It feels so respectful. It's like they're saying, hey, look around, no rush. If it feels right, we'd love to have you. Let's start this journey together. It's just nice. And they leave you with this. What a great question to end on. It immediately gets your mind spinning, thinking about your own possibilities, your own dreams. It reframes the whole idea. It's not just about the work, it's about what that work makes possible for you. It's a really inspiring way to wrap things up.